Have you ever went out and taken a bunch of pictures only to get it home and find out that some of your pictures have the horizon kind of askew? It really takes away from the look and feel of the picture. I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm sure anybody who's gone out and taken some pictures has come across this. You get a good picture that you think looks really great, and you get it home, you'll notice that the horizon is kind of askew. I'll show you how to go ahead and fix this up a little bit so it looks a little better. So what you're going to want to do is grab your crop tool, this one here, drag your box out a little bit so you can grab the edge of the picture here. So you grab your crop tool and you'll notice that now you have this grabber on the side. So just go ahead and straighten out your horizon, match it up with the line in the grid, and there you go. Give it a double click to crop it, and the picture's all straightened out. It should look much better now. I hope that helped out a little bit. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.